going on, insiders? It's Harrison here with the rapid rundown version of the price list update summary. There are 12 new line items that were added to the Xactimate price list in May 2024. So let's take a look. First one here is in the FNC category, BAL-RS, around a balustrade, detach, and reset. There's also a new line item in the fencing category, FEN, post T, for a metal T post. There are two new line items in the FPL fireplace category, DW6 and DW8, around double wall or insulated high temperature flue, 6-inch or 8-inch respectively, as well as eight new line items, four in the MTL category, four in the RFG category, around agricultural metal roofing, whether it be a wall roof panel or alike. So there are 12 new line items and also a bunch of changes to existing line items, including more around balustrades and alike. So be sure to tune in later this month when we post the full price list update summary video where we highlight how to use these new line items and talk about the changes to the existing line items in the price list. Thank you.